This is the story of Buzzy the bee. One morning after rain, Buzzy came to a lively garden. He used the dewdrops as mirrors. The dewdrop could not stand all this fuss. He slid down from a leaf side and continued his meditation. The flowers in the garden look prettier because of the water droplets. Barberton daisies were in bloom, and Buzzy met his friend, Quinn the earthworm. Buzzy, I wish I could fly like you, but I don't have wings. So Buzzy flew and flew to make Quinn feel as if he was flying too. Buzzy, flying is very tiring indeed. Let's have an afternoon tea. And they had a wonderful afternoon tea, including Quinn's favorite, the mud cupcake. The wind blew, delivering a message for Buzzy. Go to the cabin by the lake. The grass in front of the cabin a curious guest stays. Buzzy went to the cabin. There he saw a great peacock. The peacock picked up something from the grass, sparkling, shiny. It was an enchanted flower key. As soon as the sunlight hit the flower key, the cabin turned into a great big tree and extended up to the starry night. How was this possible? What just happened? Later, when Buzzy returned to his family, using the colors he collected during the day, he shared his journey with them. Now let us enjoy Buzzy's masterpiece together.